Hello students, welcome back to the Master Series class of Profit and Loss. You are watching the channel Study with Prabin Sir. Today we will solve some more new problems on chapter Profit and Loss. So let's get started. Type 12, question number 16. If cost price of 12 articles is equal to the selling price of 8 articles, find profit percent. Now students, I will solve this question using two different methods. First is the general method. Next one formula is there, I will tell that. Let CP of one article is equal to rupees 1. CP of 8 article is equal to rupees 8. Now SP of 8 article is equal to rupees 12, because it is given that cost price of 12 articles is equal to the selling price of 8 articles. Now here CP is equal to rupees 8 and SP is equal to rupees 12. So there is a profit, and that profit is equal to SP minus CP. So that is equal to 12 minus 8. So that is equal to rupees 4. Now percentage profit is equal to profit divided by CP. Here CP is 8, rupees 8 into 100. So here 4 2s are 8, it will be 50. So that is equal to 50%. That means your option 1 is the right answer. Now one formula is there. Then what is that formula? If cost price of X articles is equal to the selling price of Y articles, then percentage profit or loss is equal to X minus Y divided by Y into 100. So that is equal to, here X is 12 minus 8 by 8 into 100. So that is equal to 4 by 8 into 100. So after solving, we will get it as 50%. Now students, one thing I must tell, that if the difference is positive, then there will be a profit, and if the difference is negative, then there will be a loss. So here option 1 is the right answer. Now next question. That is type 13, question number 17. Once again, I will tell or I will solve this question using two different methods. First is the general method. Next, there is a formula for this. Ramesh purchased 30 bananas at rupees 3 each. He sold 16 bananas at 15% profit and the remaining at 30% profit. What is his profit percentage in this transaction? Now here CP is equal to 30 into 3. So that is equal to rupees 90. Because here CP of one banana is rupee 3 or rupees 3. So there will be 30 bananas. That means total CP will be 30 into 3. That is equal to rupees 90. In the first case, here SP1, he sold 16 bananas at a profit of 15%. Now, we know a formula that SP is equal to CP into 100 plus profit percent divided by 100. For details, you can watch my previous videos. So here CP, here 16 into 3. This is the CP of 16 bananas. So 16 into 3 into 115 divided by 100. So here 5. When 115 divided by 5, it becomes 23, and when 100 divided by 5, it becomes 20. Now 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are 20. So 12 into 23, so it is coming as 276 divided by 5. In the second case, that is SP2 here. So remaining 14 bananas are there. So it is 14 into 3. This is the cost price of 14 into 3 is the cost price of 14 bananas into us. There is a profit of 30%. So it will be 130 divided by 100. So 2 7s are 2 5s are. So 21 into 13. So it is coming as 273 divided by 5. Divided by 5. Now total SP is equal to, we have to add this 276 divided by 5 plus 273 divided by 5. So after adding, it is coming as 5 4 9 divided by 5. So that is equal to 109.8. Now, as we know that if selling price is more than cost price, so that means there is a profit, and that profit is equal to SP minus CP. So that is equal to 109.8 minus 90, so that is equal to 19.8. So percentage profit is equal to profit divided by CP, where CP is 90 into 100. So after solving this, we are getting it as 22%. That means here option 2 is the right answer. Now one formula is there. Then what is that? Now 16 bananas sold at a profit of 15% and remaining 14 bananas sold at a profit of 30%, divided by total number of bananas is 30. So that is equal to, it is 240 plus 420 divided by 30. Now this is the percentage, and again this is also percentage. So that is equal to 660 divided by 30 percentage. So here this 0 cancels this 0, and 66 when divided by 3 it becomes 22. That means here profit percent is 22%. That means here option 2 is the right answer. So students, if you like this video, then please share and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to receive updates on new videos. Thank you.